Hello, you are with Chinchu. Today I'm going to discuss about the course CS, Company Secretary course. I have already uploaded a video in Malayalam, but that had a little information only. So in this video I'm going to just elaborately give a lot of information on Company Secretary course. First of all, what is CS? CS is Company Secretary. I hope everybody knows that it's a professional course. In the commerce field itself, the top professional courses are CA, CMA and CS. And CS, the full form is Company Secretary. Under Companies Act 2013, CS or Company Secretary has been given the title, or they can have the title of KMP. What is KMP? KMP is the Key Managerial Person. So those who are not aware of KMPs, I'll just briefly give you an idea of who all are KMPs. Okay, key managerial persons of a particular company includes Managing Director, Full-Time Director, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, CFO, Chief Financial Officer, and there comes CS, which is Company Secretary. And CS is a course which we are going to elaborately discuss in this video. A lot of subjects are being learned as a part of CS curriculum, but the major, or I would say a rather more orientation, is towards law subject itself. Now the major question is, what is the salary of a CS or Company Secretary? I'll give you a very rough average, okay? 6 to 9 lakhs per annum. It's a very rough average, I'm saying. Your salary being a CS could be lower than that as well. And talking about upper limits, there is no higher limits or upper limits for earning. Talking about the highest limits, there is no such limits to which your salary would be like curbed into. Take the example of Company Secretary of ITZ, Reliance, they are earning in crores. So there is no higher limit. Coming towards the average, it would be around 6 to 9 lakhs, and it could be even lower in certain cases. Now, the CS course will consist of 3 levels. The first level, which is CSEET, which is Company Secretary, CS Executive Entrance Test. The second level is CS Executive, and the third or the final level is CS Professional. Coming towards the professional level or the final levels, you will be given enough or adequate training as well. During your training period, you will be given a stipend, and stipend would be roughly average 10k to 11 or 12k. Alright, it would also vary depending on the company and the post. Now, what is the duration of this particular course? The duration would be roughly around 3 to 3.5 years. You can complete all the 3 levels within these 3.5 years. But if you're taking multiple attempts, obviously the duration is going to be more extended. The question is, when to start the CS course? I would rather suggest start it immediately after 12th grade. Because whether you have completed 12th grade or degree or any kind of other post-graduation degrees also, you are not going to get any kind of exemption in the case of the very first level, which is the entrance exam. Since you are not going to get any kind of exemption in the very first level of entrance examination, it would always be better to start it quite after 12th grade, because you can save a lot of time in the process. The first level of examination is CSEET, which is CS Executive Entrance Test. I have just made little notes for your sake, alright? First of all, the syllabus consists of CSEET, entrance exam. I'm talking about entrance exam right now, alright? It consists of total 200 marks, out of which the pass mark is 50%, which would simply mean you need to score 100 out of 200 just to clear this examination. While talking, if I'm a little fast, just comment down in the comment section. I'll just take care of my pace in the next video onwards. The CS Executive Syllabus or the entrance exam consists of majorly 4 topics or 4 papers. The first one is Business Communications, which would be around 50 marks, okay? One advantage is everything would be MCQs, first of all. And the second thing is there is no such negative marking. So the second paper is Legal Aptitude and Logical Reasoning. Again, it's for 50 marks. Third paper is Economic and Business Environment. And fourth one is Current Affairs, Presentation and Communication Skills, where purely your communication skills and current affairs would be tested. There would be a kind of short viva as well. And everything is going to be computerized exam, which would mean that everything is going to be online exams itself. In case of the CSEET, the exams are conducted 4 times in a year. May, July, November and January. Yes. In case of May, the exam would be around May 10th, around a Saturday only, alright? And the examination result would be announced by May 20th itself, which would mean in the same month you will be getting the results as well. So it would be really easy for you to step forward with the second level. There are 3 categories of students for which the very first level CS entrance exam is exempted. The very first category is those older CS students who have already cleared their CS foundation as per their old syllabus. Alright. The second category of students are those who have cleared CA final examination, and third category of students are those who have already cleared CMA final examination. These three level of students, they don't have to appear for CS executive entrance exam. They can directly jump into the second level, which is CS executive exams. Now moving on, once you clear the first level, which is the entrance level, you have to move forward to the second level, which is CS executive. In CS executive, there are two groups, each group consisting of 4 subjects each. Okay. And the marking scheme and the pass criteria is similar to CA as well as CMA examinations, which would simply mean that there is aggregate system as well as grouping system in CS as well. I'll just briefly explain for the students who are not aware of this. Okay, grouping system. In case of second level, which is CS executive level, there are 2 groups. Each group consists of 4 subjects. Alright, so together both the group will consist of total 8 subjects. You can either appear for one group at a time or go with both groups at a time. Alright, in that case, there is grouping system similar to CA as well as CMA examinations, which would simply mean that in order to clear one group, you have to pass all the 4 subjects, and there is an aggregate requirement as well, which would mean in one group there are 4 subjects, right? If one paper consists of 100 marks, in order to clear one paper out of 100, 40% is the individual pass requirement, which would mean in order to clear one paper, you need to score at least 40 out of 100. And when you are appearing for a group together, right, so you will have to have a 50% aggregate. That means for a group consisting of 400 marks, you have to at least get straight away, which is 50%, which would mean you have to get at least 200 marks out of 400 in order to clear. I'm just simply giving an example in order to enable you to understand this grouping system and individual pass criteria. Another thing is 3 subjects out of the total 8 subjects of both the groups, 3 subjects are completely MCQ based. Okay, those subjects are first one tax laws, second corporate and management accounting, and third financial and strategic management, which means the practical subjects are MCQ based. If I missed out anything, or if you need more videos on CS executive or CS course as well, then do comment in the comment section. Would love to make a video on that. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. Do like and share with all of your friends and family so that everyone can be aware of it and make a wise decision regarding their career. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.